Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I'm Salwa Ainun Najwa. I'm from MTS 4 Bantul. Today we are going to learn together about how to make the simple effect. This creative handicraft is actually very easy to make, since we use the second-hand detergent pack as the one of highest domestic waste in our house. Let's check it out. Firstly, we just need 2 ingredients here, around 300 detergent packs and yarn. Next, we are having our utensil, scissor, needle, and tissue. Let's refill the step together. First of all, dry all the detergent packs that we have already washed before. Repeat this step to all packs. Then cut them using scissors into 2 parts. Make sure in a halfway. Bend the 2 sides of the push the foot neatly. If all have done, next we are going to mix. Now it's time to shave it.
When the wig was high, now it's time to shave it.
Finally, let us make the rope. Wow, look at this! It is very simple.